Mother Nature has provided many for the well-being of human life, like earth, water, fire, and many. But a true gift took its birth 5,000 years ago and yet remains relevant in modern time. Ayurveda, the science of longevity. Holding on to this everlasting legacy, Ayurremedy is a state-of-art center that aims to provide Ayurvedic services ranging from disease management, rehabilitation, pre- and postnatal care, wellness, and many more.
Ayurremedy, it's all about celebrating life. We bring harmony and balance to the patient's life through authentic treatment.
At Ayurremedy, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all approach. With 2 specialist doctors and 6 therapists, we believe in personalized treatment to every patient.
Swarna Bindu Prashan is a unique Ayurvedic preparation that enhances the immune power of human body. The Ayurvedic immunity boosters for kids helps in strengthening muscles and bones, enhances memory, and improves digestion. 6 therapists, 2 consultation room, 2 Panchakarma treatment rooms, 1 Ksharasutra treatment room, and tie up with major Ayurvedic pharmaceutical companies. Ayurremedy is all about fighting diseases the right way and natural remedy from Mother Nature.